Hello everyone and welcome to Out of the Box Creations YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a great trick to use Cricut Design Space for sublimation. I get a lot of questions about printing larger than 9.25 by 6.75 with Design Space. I have a great trick that will help you print any size that you need, even wide format. Let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to need is Cricut Design Space, Bullzip, it's a free PDF printer, and Microsoft Word. So first we're going to do is we're going to open up Cricut Design Space software. Then we're going to open a new project. I like to zoom out on my screen from 100% to say 50 so that I can see the whole design. Now I'm going to upload my design. I'm going to upload a PNG file, so I need to go through the steps of clicking complex, going through, making sure the design has a transparent background, and you also want to make sure that you hit the print and cut image so you make sure you get all of your colors. The design that I will be using is this kitten with glasses. I want to add a saying under the design, so I will click text and type in Happy Valentine's Day. I have already picked my font, but you can use any font that you have downloaded. After I type out my saying, I'm going to move it and adjust the size to make sure that it lines up with the image. I'm also going to change the color of mine to red, but you can use any color. And then the next step is to always make sure to change it from basic cut to print and cut, so that when you print, it prints together. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select both the words and the design, and I'm going to flatten them. Now it's time to make your design, so click Make It. Then go down. You don't need to mirror this image yet. We're going to go into the print setup. This is where Bullzip comes in. So we want to go in there and under printer, make sure you click Bullzip PDF printer and then turn bleed off. Click print and a second box is going to pop up, and this is where you're going to go in. You're going to rename your file to whatever you want to name it. And then under format, you're going to make sure that it's PNG. Click save to save to your computer, phone, wherever you're working at. Now on to Microsoft Word. Open up Microsoft Word and then open a blank document. We now want to add the design, so we're going to click Insert. We're going to hit Pictures and this device. You're now going to be able to look through your computer and find the file. I save all of mine to downloads, makes it super easy to find. Once you locate your design, click on it and click Insert. This now brings it over to Word. Since we used Cricut Design Space, you need to crop out the black square around it. To do that, click the crop button up in the upper right hand corner, and then just use your mouse and drag the tabs so that you're taking away all of that black line. Once you have the design how you want it without the black line around it, click outside of the crop box and it'll automatically crop that image for you. Once you have cropped out the lines, you can now adjust the size of your image. This can be done in two ways. With your mouse by pulling and dragging the corners or the sides, or in the upper right hand corner next to the crop, you can actually type in the size that you would like. Now it's time to print. Click File in the upper left hand corner, go down to Print, and then making sure that you change your printer from Bullzip to the printer that you have. That's it! You can now use Design Space to create larger sublimation designs. Check out our next video showing you how to press this design on a t-shirt. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you on the next one.